So maybe some people already met me. My name is called Kit. My surname is Hui. So you can call me Kit. It's alright. But before I do everything, I need to thank Stuart give me this chance to get a talk here. Right? And also welcome everybody come to my workshop. Okay, and the next slide, I better let you know what is a Liuhebafa, what is a Bafa. Liuhebafa is for your body structure. Bafa is for application. Liuhebafa is a sixth harmony, maybe like your Loga, but slightly different, but end up is similar. Bafa is some sort of a technique, how to use it, like follow, like you hit, keep the, like around and then get it back, something like this. Right? I just generally describe for that because I don't expect you can get like this. Right? I just the first one is for the sixth harmony. The first one is your body should be coordinated. With your nervous system. Like you want to walk, you walk. But some people watching newspaper, they walk, they will easily bump on the pole or the wall or whatever. So that's really important. Because look like it's simple, but very important. Especially you're the martial artist, like you're fighting, you need to concentrate. Left and right, forward and backward, right? That's important. And the second, your nervous system should be, harmony with your mind or intent. Because the mind is, we will slightly, you want to do something, but not actually move. I want to keep the strike, but your nervous system control all those muscles to get. So the harmony, you won't get, and then your body want to strike. You won't strike like this, right? So you strike something like that. So we coordinate. And the next is the mind and the chi. So we harmony. The chi is actually you want the mind force going, the chi is coming. Like you want to do, you will feel something in your finger, right? And the next is the chi and your spirit. So we harmony. The spirit is actually because you fight, you got the energy showing from the outside. Like I was here, you feel the energy for the movement, right? And the next one is you got that feature. The invisible the energy. We actually the movement like this. Also is a harmony. Make it like natural. Don't do it so because the internal martial arts, everything is smooth and natural, right? And the last bit, the movement is look like as natural, like you walk, like you hit the people, it's like you walking, no difference. That is the most important. Like I do this, if you don't feel like do a lot, just and then you go like this. Very important. That is like the six harmonies concentrate on your body structure, right? You can see the mind, spirit, all those stuff, right? Even end up, but you see the end up is a natural. But the using the word is emptiness. I don't want to complicate what was emptiness, right? But so that's why I changed it to it's a natural, right? Just natural, like you wasting art. You don't doing like this, just like this, like this, like this. And the other is the H method. H method is the first one is a chi. Chi. I mentioned it before. Chi. Because a lot of people thinking what is a chi? Chi is everybody got that. Because the chi is the blood flowing. The blood flowing. The blood like your heart. And then you got that. So chi is this. But if you concentrate, like I leading my hand forward, and then you will feel more. Because if you relax, your blood pressure will be swells out, so your circulation is much better. So you feel something like the ants crawling or your finger swell up, something like this. That's a chi. But actually, can you use chi for the fight? You can't. It's only part of an internal strength. That is the feeling of when you get that. You can use it for fight the chi. But it is the part of the internal strength. Because when you practicing correctly, you get the internal strength. When you deliver all those, you got the chi. You understand? That is really important. Don't reverse back. You got the chi and then using for the fight. There's no way you can do it. Because even you doing standard meditation, you also got the chi, but honestly, you cannot fight. Right? Okay, the next is we call the bone. What is the bone? Bone is like you imagine the iron rock and the outside you rock coating, like the Tai Chi one. When you hit, like I last time do the exercise for you, all those or demos, you will feel outside is really, inside is hard, very hard, the strike, but you feel soft. That is the application. Actually, is when you do this, you get that. Just fall down your arm. You get that feeling. And the next one we call it shake. Shake is like I think the low guard also is a left. But actually we are not pretend that I'm the left. I only using the internal stuff. Because the Liuhebafa is a lot of enemy inside. But not like tiger. The inside there's a tiger. Like I do this. The eagle like fly like this. So that is doing the core like this. But usually we will do this, right? And this single head we call that a leopard, like a big cat, right? Double is a tiger. We use this. We got that. Like this is like a big bird, or double, or eye, or four, or whatever. We got that is a shape. So that's why that is for the application, right? And the next one is a follow. Follow is quite simple. Like the wheel hit you and then you neutral like the Tai Chi and then get back. The feel is simple, just like this. Follow. Why we doing that? Because internal martial arts is different with your external. External. You know why? Because for the external martial arts, you all the time is against your enemy, right? Like a hit, you will run. But for us, no. We accept them. They hit, and then we come close because the internal martial art is the entire body. It's a short range martial art. Right? Not like the flying kick or those. So we try to come close because once I close to you, your kick is no harm. Like example, if I'm against you, when you kick, I step, your kick is no use. But if you're standing here, I get in trouble because of your flying kick is very strong. But once I get in, your kick is no harm. You understand? So that's why the internal muscle is quite concerned about your footwork. I mean, how to run it, like you standing like this, right? Get the time, of course, get the time, because if you kick, you need one leg stand and then kick. You can't move. You cannot kick your leg like this. But once you leave up, I do this, right? That is the theory of why the internal martial arts is no kicking. Of course, the Liuhebafa have, but not flying up to the head or the other, right? Because we concentrate how to make the whole body machine, hit your opponent or enemy, right? And the next is we call the raise up. Because the Liuhebafa, the other name is called water boxing. How? Because all those things is up and down. But why is up and down? Because once the lower down, like what I did, there's only the hand form. If there's a down, included the body energy. Yeah, that's correct what you did. But once you down, and then you can push up. That's it. So if you're doing up and down, the energy is so natural. Carry on the ground, you got the relation on the ground. So the energy is much easier. Like the example, you are using the normal exercise. Down or lift up the weight. You see, so simple. But the energy is extremely large. You can imagine your both feet has on, how much, the weight over there, maybe I think 400 pounds or something like that. It's normally, even for when you can do this, you can produce a tremendous power, right?